Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fish in Kingshot. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so in order to fish, we need to go ahead and click onto the events button on the top right hand corner of the page. And now scroll across this menu and click onto calendar. From here, we need to make sure we're inside the fishing season or the fishing zone. So fishing has just started up on my calendar here, so I've been trying to fish for the last couple of days, but I haven't been able to because there's no fishing events on. But now there's a fishing event on, we can go ahead and fish. So if I click on the fishing tournament, we can go ahead and click on go here, or we can go back and then click onto the area where they're currently fishing. So currently they're doing the San Oceana, so click onto that. And as you can see, fishing tournament, current season, winter. So go ahead and click on go fish. Then it also states here, complete stage to select new items or upgrade fishing gear. So continue will resume the previous stage. So keep that in mind. So click on go fish. Now from here, you'll cast your line here and then move your line left and right like so to try and get fish or snag fish. Then when you bring it up, just move it left and right and try and get as many fish as you can on the way up. And as you can see, it will say congratulations on earning a new guide, blowfish, bluegill, red sword, neon, etc. So you can see our haul inside of here. Yeah, so that's how to fish inside Kingshot.